Welcome everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to adjust the playback speed in VLC Media Player. Adjusting playback speed in media players holds several important benefits that cater to different user preferences and needs. Modes of playback speed are normal or default, faster, and slower. In VLC Player, you have full control over the playback speed of any video or audio. You can control the playback speed by using preferences or by applying shortcut keys. To control playback speed using preferences, right-click in the player, go to Playback, and then Speed. You can use shortcut keys to easily set the playback speed. To see the assigned shortcut keys, go to Tools, Preferences, and click Hotkeys. Here you will find all the shortcut keys used in VLC Player.